Greetings, this is Tyler from Mizage. In this screencast, I'm going to take you through our application, ShortStop. I'll tell you what it does, show you how it works, and give a couple examples of how it could be beneficial to you. These days, it's not uncommon for users to have multiple utility applications installed, each providing one or many global shortcuts. We've noticed that sometimes users have global shortcuts that override the local shortcut for a specific application. That's why we made ShortStop. With a single click, global shortcuts are blocked, allowing anything you press to be sent to your current application. Another click, and ShortStop is disabled. Press that same shortcut again, and you'll get the global result. Here's a cool way of using ShortStop that most people won't even think of. Let's say I frequently use ScreenSharing or VNC to remotely control another computer. I have spaces set up on my local system as well as my remote system. I'd like to switch to a different space on the remote system, but when I press the hotkey to switch spaces, my local system switches instead. However, if I activate ShortStop, the keystroke is sent to the remote system, and I'm able to control it as if I were sitting right there. I'd also like to quickly mention a couple of cool features we've integrated into ShortStop. First, the block list. Any application you add to this list will automatically activate ShortStop. I put my various screen sharing apps in here so I can always send my commands directly to the remote computer. Next, if you click this box, your preferences will be automatically synchronized over Dropbox. If you have multiple Macs, you can share your ShortStop settings effortlessly. That's all there is to it. We hope it's as useful to you as it is to us. Thanks for watching.